So right now I'm in the Sanlorenzo shipyard in Viareggio. This is one of the 4 shipyards. It has in Amelia, Massa, La Spezia, and it's a beautiful shipyard. As you know, Sanlorenzo is one of the famous and one of the best ship makers in the world. Yachting is one of the most prestigious Sanlorenzo dealers in the world. The owner is Murat Bekiroğlu, and he does a perfect job. And this is his boat behind me.
Hi, my name is Murat Bekiroğlu. I'm the chairman of Tüyo-Deniz. Tüyo-Deniz is based in Turkey, Istanbul, and has offices in Bodrum, Marmaris and Göcek. We are one of the biggest yacht dealers around the world. We are distributing Group Veneto brands, Genoa, Prestige, and Hanse Group brands, Hanse Modi, and famous Sanlorenzo brands, Sanlorenzo and Blue Gaze. What we are doing is actually either the biggest dealer worldwide or one of the biggest dealer. So we have over 100 employees in the country, and we are dedicating good service all around the customers. So we welcome everybody to Turkey. I hope to see you soon.
The subcontractors that are working every day, and of course I would like to thank this special man, because it's thanks to him and his hard work that he's doing every day in Turkey that we are gaining fantastic results, amazing results. And we are sure that thanks to this SX100, many other more will come. And Mr. Viron,
Once you know me, I'm the distributor of Sanlorenzo since 2010-11. So we have done many achievements together with Massimo Perotti and his great team. At the moment we are the biggest or one of the biggest distributor of Sanlorenzo. The biggest in America, the biggest distributor of Sanlorenzo. This is not a luck. This is not by chance. This is not a luck. This is dedicated to work, passion, hard work, dedication, with the team spirit, with the Gregorio, with Lorenzo, with Mimo, with Giamma. Really, we sold many boats with Giamma, but we built many boats with the team of Mimo and with the team of Gregorio. So this is a kind of team spirit. I'm really blessed to work with such a wonderful team with you guys. I really thank you again. So even before we got married, we were cruising in Turkey with a small 30-feet bayliner. And then I'm really happy to see that we will be cruising hopefully with such a beauty behind us. I would like to thank also the dear friends with me. They came such a long way, and then they wanted to share and spend our beautiful times. Really thank you, each of you, being with us. It's really countless and priceless being with you here.